Hey friends, subscribers, and internet strangers. You asked for it. I'm a man that will deliver if you ask. Walmart. Can you still retail arbitrage at Walmart in 2022? That's a good question, right? Got my trusty phone. I've got the Brickseek app. I've got 4 items I'm looking for. Let's go see if we can find them. All right, we'll see you inside. I lied. This store, I'm only looking for one thing. They said they had 4 of these bicycles. They were originally $84. They're marked down to $63. But that's wrong. They're coming up $23.12. Has the beard found secret clearance? You're damn right. I'm good at this shit. Just because I hadn't made videos don't mean I'm not out here buying. Let's keep going. Alright, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video, because when I get home, I'm gonna ride these bicycles just to show you. 52 years old on a 12-inch bicycle. You know you want to see it. You've been wondering, will that big guy, will he get on that damn bicycle? Yes, he will. You know what the worst thing is about retail arbitrage, as I've done this now for 9 years, is you start doing old man shit. So I bought a Coke Zero here, and I'm looking around, where's my drink? It's still in the basket in the cart corral. I have to have a Galaxy phone because of Samsung Pay, because I'll get somewhere without my wallet. Man, the struggle's real. All right, Walmart number 2, folks. So in this one, we're definitely looking for the Cricket combo. At the last store, they were still $169. This store, they're supposed to be $75. So here we go. All right, they're supposed to have 4 here of the Cricket something 2s. Something very similar to that, but red. Not a 1. I checked the clearance aisle. I checked here. Yeah. Thanks, Walmart. So what are the lessons from my travels today, and what can you guys benefit from? What did you not see in this video? So you saw 2 Walmarts. I went to 8 stores today. 5 different chains. Don't worry. I recorded in 2 others. So there'll be videos coming out showing you what I found and how my adventures went in those stores. But I'll recap some of that here, and then you can look forward to seeing what I found. Walmart inventory is wildly inaccurate. Just is. From theft to them only counting once a year. Really, employees putting stuff back. All this happens. They've changed some of their vending policies where a lot of electronics are sent back to the vendors because the vendors own this stuff. And so even though you see it's marked down, when it reaches a certain stage, they pull it to the back. So if Walmart inventory is inaccurate, and Brickseek is based off Walmart inventory, Brickseek at times is going to be very wildly inaccurate. So especially on clearance. If you're looking for regular price stuff, Brickseek is extraordinarily accurate. But clearance stuff and how often they're allowed to update and that kind of stuff, man, it's hit or miss at best. So you're going to have to put boots on the ground to figure out what's in these stores. Brickseek is a great place to do research. Figure out what's on sale. Figure out what's going to start to be marked down. Make a plan to go out and see what's available in your area. For some areas are different than others. I got 12 Walmarts in 30 minutes. Takes a lot of effort to get to all those stores to figure out what they've got. So, but it also means there's a lot of stuff out there in this area. There's a lot of competition. Huntsville is a market that is saturated with resellers. We don't need them more. This 30% growth rate, all you resellers, y'all take a hike. All right, so gone are the days that you could make a living on Walmart clearance. They're just gone. Walmart clearance is different. Their policies are different, and it's just more competition. It's just hard to do it and really find enough stuff to make it your full-time living. But Notice I said on Walmart. I didn't say retail arbitrage in general. I'm still here, still making videos. But the one thing I would tell you is you've got to vary your sourcing methods. I do RA, I do OA, I do wholesale, I do yard sales. I buy at an auction. If there's a place that somebody's selling something that I think I can flip, I'm there. Same thing goes for where I flip it. eBay and Amazon. That's the ones everybody knows. Amazon, how have I changed? I'm selling a lot more used stuff on Amazon. I've had no issues. It's been very nice. You get more money to get on eBay, and it generally sells faster. It's just like anything else. eBay is eBay. It has its quirks. There'll be good days, bad days. There'll be people complaining about how slow eBay is. And there'll be people that make a full-time living on eBay. So it's about what you put into it. It's about learning all these platforms. Etsy, Poshmark, whatever you choose, Mercari, whatever you choose to do. All the platforms, have these irons and all these fires. I sold my first item on Facebook Marketplace today, a couple hours ago. I sold a Wii system, $65. It's the black one with one controller, one nunchuck. I had that on eBay for $79, so free shipping. So because I've got one more. So you take it's going to cost me $12, $13 to ship that. Price is getting pretty close. Then you pay eBay fees. There's no fees to sell it locally on Facebook Marketplace. I made more money today. Selling it local. And I've told you how many times, I'm not a peoply person. I don't like local. I sell online not to deal with people. But changing times, you have to change. If you don't change, you young folks ever heard of Sears? Ever been in a Sears? That's just the way it is. You ever been in a Sears? Sears was, when I was growing up, Sears catalogs, you're going through, you're circling what you want for your birthday, for Christmas, this thing. They're one of the largest retailers in the world. Gone. Been in business over 100 years. Gone. Doesn't matter how big you are. If you don't change, or if you're small, you don't change, you don't adapt, you go away. Find a local auction. Auctions it. Go figure out where these auctions are in your area. There's got to be a consignment auction somewhere. These things are great ideas. I really enjoy the consignment auction here. I love seeing what stuff will sell for. So here's a little story. Harlan calls me today and goes, dude, I got way too much stuff yesterday. We went to like 6 or 7 yard sales and I'm one estate sale. And between Friday's 4 yard sales and this, got a lot of stuff to take to the auction in the morning. Tomorrow morning, Monday morning. I'm like, dude, what's the problem? We got a lot of stuff. He goes, this is just even the beginning. We only had 4 or 5. Can you imagine how much stuff we're going to find? Because if you've got a different outlet, you can buy different stuff. We talked a lot about it as we were going to yard sales and had time in the car going, man, look at all the stuff we never would have touched, never would have bought because we didn't have a way to make any money on it. And now all of a sudden we've got a way to make money on it. Find ways. There's merchandise is everywhere. Merchandise is out there. Find ways you can flip it to make money. Do you need a job? J-O-B? Boss? Nah, that's me. I ain't never going back. I'd be the world's worst employee. I'd be awful. Awful. So, develop your own style of business. What's available to you, what what you're willing to do, where you're going to sell it, what you like to do. All those things roll up into your style and your business and your business plan. It's not right or wrong, it's you. It's not right or wrong, no matter what anybody tells you. It's the way you choose to do it. Simple as that. All right, next video might be yard sales. I got some estate sale video. I've got a lot of footage right now, so did you miss the beard? The videos are back. Couple 3 a week. All right. See you in the next video. Roll Tide.